Other top story tonight, wildfires continue to burn across northeast Florida tonight as dry conditions and fast-moving flames keep firefighters on high alert. An 80-acre fire in Nassau County and a larger wildfire in Baker County forced evacuations and sent thick smoke into nearby communities.
While crews here in Jacksonville also battled brush fires earlier this week. Our Christina Burgess has the latest on containment efforts and also the warning fire officials want everyone to hear. Christina.
Yeah, guys, Jacksonville Fire Rescue is warning that even the smallest mistake can lead to a major fire. The fire chief I spoke with tonight is urging everyone to remember to keep vegetation clear, maintain your lawns, and have an evacuation plan ready.
You know, the smallest mistake can turn into the largest catastrophe.
This warning comes from Aaron Biebernitz, district chief with Jacksonville Fire Rescue, as wildfires continue to burn across northeast Florida, driven by dry conditions and fast-moving flames. In Nassau County, an 80-acre fire burned in Hilliard on Wednesday. According to Florida Forest Service, the fire has been 75% contained as of today. Then over in Baker County, crews are still working to fully contain a wildfire near Glen St. Mary, a fire that forced evacuations on Wednesday.
We saw the fire trucks zooming past that way for about an hour straight, everyone that we could, in the county.
Flames burned 120 acres, but officials now say it's 80% contained, allowing residents to return home.
Yeah, you could just walk right out here on 90 and see the black cloud down there. It was wild.
Back in Jacksonville, firefighters responded to a wood fire Wednesday near New Kings Road and Edgewood Avenue. Chief Biebernitz says it was one of the largest fires crews faced that day.
But we also had multiple smaller brush fires. Fortunately, our men and women responded very quickly. Right now, you're going to get a much larger response, even for a minuscule brush fire, because as we saw yesterday in Baker County, a relatively small fire just started by a vehicle quickly grew into an absolute monster.
Fire officials are urging residents to take precautions around their homes.
Keep all vegetation 30 feet away from your house. Make sure you're cutting your lawn, keeping grass down to a minimum, cleaning out your shrubbery, keeping any type of combustible furniture away from your house. There's absolutely no open burning, no burning leaves. Do not burn anything at all.
And Chief Biebernitz encourages people who live in a heavily wooded area to have an evacuation plan in place, prepare a go bag, and identify at least 2 ways to get out of your neighborhood.